Hey guys, it's Robert again. I am with my boys because somebody... What happened, Jesse?
The drone got lost.
You lost the drone?
Yeah, it's lost.
So he decided to play with it without me. And I wasn't home, but I happened to see it with my Arlo cameras. If you don't know Arlo cameras, by the way. And he's going back and forth. Now, we're going to go to the other side and hopefully start asking neighbors, have you seen it? Unfortunately, he did this last Thursday. Today is Monday. And of course, he didn't want to tell me till now. So we'll see. So I'm saying it's a lost Tello drone. Have you seen me? Have you seen me? So that way we can hopefully find the Tello.
Let's find the house where should we go?
I don't know. Ask Jesse.
The house? No, not.
I don't know. Are you sure it's the other house, Jesse? Yes. You need to ask him. You say, yeah, he lost a helicopter. We'll put one in the mailbox.
You do it, Jesse.
Put it in the mailbox. This one.
This one?
Yeah.
What is it called? Hi there. I lost something. It's the Tello.
What did you lose?
Tello.
He flew it in the backyard. Yeah, he flew in the backyard last Thursday.
And in my backyard?
In a backyard.
Oh.
I live on the other side, so I wasn't sure where it went. If you happen to see it, because it was a windy day and it flew around, and he wasn't paying attention.
Okay.
Oh, here you go.
Hey dear, I just lost my drone. I lost the Tello. This one. It's the Tello.
He flew this last week, and he may have gone in your backyard, so we just put a paper just in case it's a little helicopter. If you see it back there, if you see it. Thank you. Appreciate it. So try that mailbox. Alright, so we gave out a few flyers. Kind of doubt, you know, what's going on, but you never know, right? So we might as well put it out and see. And hopefully we find it. I want to teach them a lesson that, you know, if you make a mistake like that, you know, be honest and, you know, let everybody know so we can try to get it back. If I knew sooner, and I wish I was here, or if he had the camera on, I could at least see the last broadcast or where it went. But unfortunately, he didn't have the camera on, so we're just gonna have to see what happens. Thanks again for watching. Wish us luck, guys. So what do you want to tell everybody?
I'm going to tell everybody that if you help me buy another one, I will promise that I won't lose it.
Okay, Jesse. Since you promised, we'll do our best, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks guys. I appreciate you. Any contributions can help. Hopefully we'll get enough funds and we'll do a follow-up video with your appreciation and a list of contributors. Thanks again, guys.